A Valley mom faces a hurdle as she tries to get medicine for her child.
In fact, you might remember Joel's story. Paula Cheney adopted Joel and has dedicated her life really to caring for him. Their story touched Valley residents so much that a handicap van was donated along with funds for Joel's care. But now Paula and Joel face another challenge, which is happening to other families too. The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy has this exclusive story.
Yeah, Paula Cheney called the I-Team because she knows this is an issue other parents, patients, and families are dealing with. For a medication that was covered by insurance, there's suddenly a challenge in getting it. And while that's being sorted out, people like Joel may be waiting and suffering.
Hey, baby Joe.
Joel Cheney has had a life of challenges. He suffered one beating as an infant and a second as a toddler, which left him disabled. While his biological mother went to prison for child abuse, foster parent Paula Cheney adopted him.
I make sure that he has, the best that I can offer, that I can get.
Part of that includes multiple medications for the 10-year-old boy.
This is the baclofen, and what this one do, this is for the muscles. It manages the secretions. This is the one that will keep him from throwing up.
Joel takes 3 compounded meds, which are specifically mixed by a pharmacist. They've been covered by Medicaid. But when Cheney tried to pick up refills for June, she says her doctor's office said the medicine was approved, but Medicaid did not. Without coverage, the cost for all 3 meds would be $252 a month, a cost usually paid by Medicaid.
So this is a little boy. The system failed him once. Do you think the system is failing again?
Absolutely.
The I-Team reached out to Nevada Medicaid. The response, after a vote by the Nevada Medicaid Drug Use Review Board last October, starting June 3rd, all compounded medication needs pre-authorization. Somehow that process wasn't working for Joel. The I-Team also talked to Joel's pharmacist, who said it's not just Medicaid either. Patients using other insurance are facing the same challenge.
This is just not about Joel. This is about all of the Joels out there, because I know there's others out there, mothers that are having the same issue.
Cheney has made call after call to the state and to Assemblyman Tom Roberts. Then on Thursday, after he stepped in and after the I-Team inquired about the issue, Cheney says a Medicaid rep called saying the medicine should be approved for the next refill.
Why are they making them jump through all these hoops?
And you may remember a former prosecutor, now judge, created a GoFundMe to get Joel and Paula a handicapped accessible van, as we mentioned, but a family ended up donating one. Still, nearly $60,000 was also donated. Paula's trying not to use that money anytime soon, though. She's in her 70s. She'll not always be able to care for Joel. So that money is in a trust fund for Joel's future, but we're told a small withdrawal was made to pay for that medicine that was not yet approved by Medicaid. Back to you.
Thank you, Vanessa.